Today we're going to look at the third index law, and it is a to the power of 0 equals 1. Now what that means is if you have any base that is to the power of 0, the answer will always be 1. And I'm going to show you that using a few different methods. So let's look at method 1. It has 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 3. And they've obviously expanded them. Now 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8, and 2 times 2 times 2 also equals 8. And we know that 8 divided by 8. So that's how method 1 works. Let's look at the same question using method 2. 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 3. Now if you use the second index law, you should know that you actually subtract the indices. And 3 take 3 is 0. And again, 2 to the power of 0 also equals 1. So that is method 2. Now I'm going to show you another method by looking at cancelling, which also demonstrates this question. Now if you had 2 to the power of 3 over 2 to the power of 3, we know that it looks like this from method 1. And as I showed you in previous videos, if you cancel out the same amount on the top and bottom, they will all equal 1 because they are all the same thing. Now 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, over 1 times 1 times 1 is also 1, and 1 divided by 1 equals 1. Again, method 3, there are lots of different ways to explain that any base that is to the power of 0 will also equal 1. I'm going to go through some different examples now that also prove this method and a few tips to be aware of. It says 15 to the power of 0. Now, as previous, 15 to the power of 0 is going to equal 1. Find the value of 25 times 36 to the power of 0. Because you have brackets there, it actually means 25 to the power of 0 times 36 to the power of 0. If I were to expand it, we know that 25 to the power of 0 is 1, and 36 to the power of 0 is 1, and 1 times 1 is also 1. Find the value of 19 e to the power of 5 a to the power of 0. A little bit further, because we know when there are pronumerals together, they've been multiplied. Question, we have 19e to the power of 5 times 1. The answer is itself. We'll look at the last question. 6n to the power of 3 times 11n to the power of 14 over 3n to the power of 10 times 2n to the power of 7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with our coefficients like we have in previous videos. Now 6 times 11 is 66, and 4 times 2 equals 6. Now we put in bases and start counting. 3 plus 14 is 17. Using the first index there. 10 plus 7 is also 17. So what we have here is we know that 66m to the power of 17 over 6m to the power of 17. So how we solve that is we'll start with the 66 divided by 6, which is 11, and we know that m to the power of 17 take m to the power of 17 is m to the power of 0, which is also 1. You could also cancel them out. So that answer is 11 times 1, which is also 11. So another tip, if you have the same indices on the top and bottom, you know that answer is going to be a 1. And when we multiply a number by 1, it cancels itself. And that is how you use the third index law, a to the power of 0 equals 1.